Good morning, everybody. In this video, I would like to talk about the Psych 1300 or the Education 1300. So if you are taking these courses, you're welcome in this class. So here is the Blackboard Ultra, and you can see here the different courses that I'm teaching. And one of the courses that I'm teaching is the Learning the Framework here. So let me get into this course here. And you see here in this course 21 fall. That means this is for this year 2021, and that's the course, the psychology course, PSYC. And W, this means this is the wave course. So you do not have to come in the class for this course. But if you are taking this course, for example, then these two courses are exactly the same, 21 fall PSYC, the psychology course, but the one difference here is this is the wave, and here you see the H that stands for the hybrid. That means you have to be physically present in this class. But here you can do all your assignments entirely online, and I will guide you to how to complete all your assignments. Okay, so this video here is just the introduction to how to get all access to your course materials. So let me go over it. Learning framework. The first thing you'll get when you click onto your course, this is what it looks like. It might be slightly different from your perspective and my perspective because this is the instructor view. So in order for me to get to your perspective, that is the student preview, I'm going to simply click here and say yes. And this is how this course will looks like from your perspective. So the first thing you have here, all the course syllabus, the Blackboard, how to navigate through the Blackboard, it's all help here. So I would recommend all of you to go through each folder here, each folder. Okay, so let me just show you the course syllabus here. Here you will find out the information about me. So if you want to know more about me, you can simply click here. This is my CV here. I have attached my CV, and it tells you about my background, my education background, which I have completed my PhD in electrical and computer engineering, my master's in physics and astronomy, and there are many other the work that I've done throughout my career. So I have numerous research publication, the conference publication. So here you can find all the information about me. All right. Okay. And if you have any issue, or if you want to talk to your department chair, you can simply go here, department chair, and then it tells you the department chair name, the email address, and the phone number. So you can talk to them at any point you like to. Okay. So the one important thing about this course is the textbook information. In fact, you do not need any textbook for this course here. Everything, all the materials are provided onto the Blackboard. What you need is simply a laptop and internet connection. And this Blackboard runs smoothly if you use the Google Chrome or the Safari or the Firefox browser. It might not work the best through the Internet Explorer. So my recommendation is just to use Google Chrome for the Blackboard. One of the important thing here about this course is how the course will be evaluated. That is the grading category. So here the courses are divided into the 4 portion here. Assignments, which carries 25%. Participation is 20%. Discussion is 20%, and final project is 35%. So altogether it is 100%. So it will be divided into, so participation here for the online class is a little bit hard to judge. So the way I will just look at it, are you completing all the assignments right on time, and are you watching all the videos that I have posted? And that will be counted as a participation. Okay, so if I post any videos online, make sure that you watch all the videos. That will be counted towards your participation. Okay, and I have posted the discussion board, so all of you have to be actively participate in the discussion boards. So at the end of the final exam, when overall or the average percentage is between 90 to 100 points, or 90 to 100%, that means you have received A grade. That means you have succeeded in all criteria of the assignment, participation, discussion. So overall, you have mastered this class. But if your overall percentage or the average percentage is between 80 to 89, that means you have proficient in this course. So, and you have met all the expectations. And the C grade is again the same as the 72, 79. So that means you have a general understanding of the course, but again, somehow you could not master it. So you are competent, but not strong enough. And then again, the D category is between 62, 69, and F grade. So F grade is simply means you do not have submitted enough material to determine even your mastery, to determine where you are at. So that means there is no submission here on F grade. Alright, so if you have not attempted any assignment, it will be counted 0. So this is for the grading part. And the one of the other important point here is, so if you go to the course syllabus and then the learning framework schedule, and this is for fall 2021, 8 weeks. So click here, and then what you will see here, I'm just downloaded, so I'm going to open this one, and this talks about the assignment and the due dates here. So this tells you all the assignments. Or let me open this one right here. Okay, this is for the module 1 or week 1. So you see here like what assignments you have here. I'll just highlight anyway. So then you have one assignment here you have to complete. So this is the one assignment. Then there is a pre-assessment here, the 2 assignment, and then you have one more or 2 assignment here. So this week you have to complete 4 assignment. Although it looks 4 assignment, and if you are taking the web course, of course you have to participate in the discussion too. So in fact 5 assignments here, and overall the total amount of time in order to complete all those assignments will not take you more than 2 hours. So if you give 2 hours, you should be able to finish all the assignments. So now I will talk about, let's see here. Okay, let me minimize all these things. Okay, so far we just talked about the course syllabus here, and there are other important information here, the course policy, the learning outcomes. I want to go through these things here. So I will focus on to the week 1 folder, and I'll talk about these things in another video. So thank you very much.